Cooking Cronies. We're having an impromptu happy hour today at my home, and as my guest, I have my brother here, and he is preparing the feast for the happy hour. It's quick and easy, and it's a lot of fun to watch, I'll tell you that. So I hope you enjoy it. God bless. All right, we're having an impromptu happy hour here. Dan's got the hot wings in the oven. He just bought a package of hot wings, or a regular package of chicken wings, and he salt and peppered and garliced them. He is sprucing up the taquitos so that they've got a little more cheddar on them.
These are the twice baked potatoes.
Oh, those are the twice skins. Oh, he's sprucing up the potato skins. Yum yum. And we're gonna have some company here pretty soon. What do we got there? We've got the taquitos. Good, good, good. What else do we have, Dan?
Mozzarella sticks.
Yum, yum.
Veggie tray.
Oh, yeah. Yep, yep. So we are getting ready to have some fun and company. All right. So he's preparing the mozzarella sticks on that other sheet. And then he's going to make a bean dip. We're using Rosarita beans. He's going to put them in a microwave safe bowl, and we have a little bit of green chili left from this week's dinners, and we're going to make a little bit of bean dip and some cheddar cheese. All right, Dan is turning them over and sprinkling some more salt, pepper and garlic. Look at him, he's all cleaned up, ready for the party.
Cheese.
All right, what'd you just put in the oven?
I put the taquitos and potato skins in the oven.
Okay. The mozzarella sticks go in last?
They go in last.
And in
in
that bowl, what did you put in there?
Refried beans, layer of cheese, and green chili. We'll stir it up and have a
dip.
A dip.
Yay. It's sure nice having my brother here. I don't have to do anything.
We're not going to need paste picante.
We're not?
No, not with that dip.
Not for the... Well, that'll be good in addition too, so it'll be like tostadas.
Oh, we do need that for the taquitos.
Yeah, yeah. No. So I have a chalkboard over here, and you can put them on there and write. It's actually like a cheese board, but we could use it for whatever we want. So what are the difference in our ultras? We started happy hour early.
Superior. Nothing.
Just
mine's bigger.
Oh.
Yours is 12, mine's 16 ounces. 22 wings.
That does that every time I do wings. Ooh! I don't know why my house does that every time.
What did that?
My brother's burning down the house.
Hey.
Just wanted you to know.
I am not.
The culprits.
There's a light here.
Yep, over here. And then that one on the wall. On the side.
There. So you can see it.
Yeah, looks pretty. Those are the wings. And we'll put the sauce on when we're ready to eat them. Is that right, brother?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Look, he even decorated my stove today.
We won't churn them so they don't look ugly. We'll leave them like that.
Yeah, look how pretty. Mixing these up, half and half.
It's they got you working there, Danny?
Hey,
Got me working.
he's done the whole thing.
I'm the prepper.
All right, and now we're gonna put 2 different sauces in each one. That is this one. Ooh, it all looks good, brother. Thank you.
Wow.